Gray skies above, my heart's been low. Run through shadows I didn't know. Every step echoes yesterday's way, but I feel the clouds begin to break. The wind whispers soft like a lullaby, and I lift my face to the open sky. Let the rain wash this pain away, fall like mercy on my darkest day. Every drop a promise, every tear a flame, turning sorrow into hope again. Let it pour, let it cleanse, let it stay. Bring back the light, bring back the way. Puddles shimmer like dreams reborn, dancing barefoot in the quiet storm. Laughter rising from the roots of me, like flowers blooming endlessly. I'm not broken, just bending slow, but the rain reminds me how to grow. It sings of healing, sings of grace, and paints a smile across my face. Find the rain, wash this pain away, fall at mercy on my darkest day. Every drop